Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I create this chocolate effect material actually. So this character turning into the chocolate, which is also animating melting effect. And this is quite easy. I'll create it from scratch. You can then understand better. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share, and comment. And let's start this. So I will create this material using the existing resources I have. I will not create any specific texture or mesh. Whatever I have, I'll just use that. So let's create a material. M chocolate. Okay, M chocolate. So like you have this sphere here and you want a transition from top to bottom or side left, right, or maybe front to back. So if your UVs are proper, you can do that, or you can use the world position, local position, or there's one more thing that is